Today we are working on getting this fiber line underneath this pathway here. This will be my first time using the dirt auger here. Hopefully it makes light work. This is just pretty much very, very soft, good soil. So hopefully shouldn't have any issues getting through it. No trees around, so shouldn't have any roots. So wish me luck. So we're gonna take the end of it, connect it in here. You can't tell, but it is ribbed. It's not a perfect circle. This isn't, so that it can grip in here. We're gonna tighten this and we are through. Frankly, the auger was incredible. Made absolute light work of it. Every time I needed to drill a hole, I didn't even need to pull it out and back again like you do with drilling holes maybe in the wall or cement. So very, very pleased with the auger, and have to clean up the drill here. All right, so my final tips on the dirt auger are absolutely phenomenal, but make sure that you dig a big enough hole. Even though it's flexible, you still have to dig enough space to make sure that your drill and this can get parallel underneath what you're drilling for. Remember, it is very sturdy in metal, so there's some give to it, but it's not a ton. So I made the mistake of underestimating how much and how deep I had to go to get the auger underneath. So that's my best advice. But my gosh, did this job even with my mess ups in about 20 minutes. So fantastic product, and highly recommend it.